Hello, welcome to Gurukul Online. We have learned about factorization, factors and multiples. Today we'll learn about prime factorization. This is one of the very important topics. So prime factorization, basically I'll teach you with two methods you can do it. One is with factor tree method, and the other is with division method. So let's start with factor tree method. We'll take an example and understand. In this method, we break the number unless we get the prime factors, and this leads to various branches. That is why it is called as factor tree method. So for example, we have to find out the prime factors of 72. First of all, think of any two numbers, the product of which is 72. So we all know 8 9s is 72. So you have already broken 72 into two parts. So 8 into 9 is 72. Now break all these factors further unless you get prime factors. So we know prime factors are 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So let's break it to get these prime factors. 2 into 4 is 8, and then we can break this 4 further because 2 is already a prime factor. So 2 into 2 is 4. For 9, when you break it, you get 3 into 3. So this tree gives you all the prime factors of 72, which are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. So prime factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we can find out prime factors using division method as well. So factor tree method is clear. We'll now understand the division method. Now we will divide 72 with prime numbers. So we'll start with the smallest prime number. So let's think about 2. First of all, if you know divisibility, this number is divisible by any number. If you don't know that, for that please watch my video on divisibility test, the link for which I'll give in the description below. So if you are clear with the divisibility test, then let's move forward. We'll take prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So we'll start with 2. Is 72 divisible by 2? Yes, because the digit at one's place is even. So this is divisible by 2. Now we'll divide 72 with 2. See, there are two ways of doing it. You have to just practice. One is you divide 2 with 72, which you know. Like this, you divide complete number. And the other short method is start like doing this. Like with first you divided 2 with 7, 2 3s are 6. You do the same thing here. 2 3s are, now you don't have to write, I'm writing it just for your knowledge. You just have to imagine that 2 3s are 6. Now 7 minus 6 will give 1. 1 and 2 will make 12. Now 2 6 are 12. So this is another way of dividing. You don't have to write this 6 and 1, just do it in your mind. Now further 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1, 1 and 6 will make 16, 2 8s are 16. Now it is again divisible by 2, 2 9s are 18. Now this is not divisible by 2. So next prime number is 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. And then 3 1s are 3. We'll do it till we get 1 here. So all the numbers that we get here are the prime factors of 72. So this was the division method to check the prime factors. So prime factors of 72 that we have got here are 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comments box below. Thank you.